it's a tricky situation too, because Donald Trump, he has in fact threatened to impose 100% tariff on BRICS nations, and that also includes India. So yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, so the de-dollarization is rubbish. That's not, we are not going anywhere with that. So that is not an issue. But there is also another, the problem is that you can, what can we do to, India's been terribly proactive on tariffs. We've sort of, before anything could happen, you've rolled back one entire slab of stuff. And, to make sure that he doesn't, this is, let me emphasize, this is a working visit. It's not a state visit in that sense. It's a thing to get work done. And that is what Jaishankar was doing in Washington. That's what the bureaucracy has been doing all this time. To some extent, we've got where we want. But the fact remains, now this is the problem. We still are dependent on Russia.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
You cannot walk away from the fact that we need those spares and we cannot afford to buy a bunch of that stuff. Number two, you've just bought about 10 billion euro worth of stuff from France, right? You think President Trump is going to say, how about spending at least double that here? So there is a limit to what you can buy from outside also. The economy is doing well, but you've got problems, in terms of your balance payments and etc. We can't go on doing this. And the third and final factor is China's your neighbor. There is no getting around that. There is a problem.
Yeah.
So that's why the very tightrope walking is required, which I think Foreign Minister Jaishankar is more than capable of carrying out. But still, it's pretty tricky.